are not ramping down. We're just getting started. Nothing stops this train. Nothing.
Hey everyone, and good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Trane Technologies? This is ticker TT. And nothing has been able to stop this train as it's been in a strong uptrend since November of 2023. It looks like it moved right through that 50-day moving average on higher than expected earnings. And it's just been going and going and going, holding that blue line, the 21-day EMA, all the way up. Well, recently, after its last earnings report, it's just kind of been holding in tightly, not going as vertical, which is good because that could offer a new entry on this stock. So I want to see a breakthrough 277.30 coming on volume here on TT. That would bring us through that level, and ideally, it would do it on higher than average volume. Now, if I zoom all the way out, you can see this stock is hitting potentially an all-time high with that breakout. And if you haven't heard, stocks that make all-time highs tend to keep making them. So I definitely would watch for a strong move through 277.30 coming on volume and look for a continuation of this uptrend. They don't have their next earnings until May, so this stock could keep going at least up until then, as long as the market remains strong. So I hope that video is helpful. Give me a follow on Twitter at Scott Trades, and definitely check out what we're doing at stock and cryptomarketmentor.com. Click that link, take a trial, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.